Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. There we go. That's better. Channel. Day 2. Let's change it to B. That's not really what I want it to be. Okay. Ludum Dare, day 2B. Yep. Save. Okay. Get the link. Ludum. Oh, what is that? Because I'm live? Oh, because I'm live. Lol. Ludum Dare 48. LDJAM. Game dev. Made with Unity. Pixel art. Tweet. Nice. I like him. Can I just oh, where is he? Where is he? Here? This one? Yeah, I can show him. Cool, I can do my thing. Epic. Okay. There we go. Epic. Oh, I can't zoom in. Okay. Discord. Let's just put him in there. It's such a nice gift. Cool. Yes. All right. Let's work on the inventory kind of system. Inventory. Oh no. Crap. Inventory. I need the weight. I hate it so much. Color. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, better. Cool. I need a new C# script or data, which is a scriptable object. And then a or I don't really need another script. I don't need no man. Ooh, we back. Oops. Yes, we back. Time to actually get some gameplay in there instead of just music. Although I can't complain, music is also really nice. And it's also, I'm not sure if it's a good thing that I can just make game jam code, because if you do game jam code for too long, oops, then you kind of get used to it and you just start to slack. Or you know how to do game jam code, so you do the opposite of slacking. That's also a possibility. Scriptable object, create menu, need a sprite, or sprite, public string or name, and public int price. I think that's it for now. In here, I want a dictionary of OR data and int. We call this ORs. The new. Okay. Public void add OR data int amount 1. I don't know. If ORs dot contains key data. Wait, hold on. ORs dot try to get data out int count. If not, ORs dot add data 0 or 1. Else int current count to 0. Current count. Try to get value, but we can't, so we need to do ORs data is equal to current data plus amount. There you go. And then of course we also need to display it. So let's do a list. Yeah, let's just make a different script. What am I doing right now? So the game is about mining. So I need to also make a little inventory so you can actually mine ore, and the ore will actually go into your inventory. Inventory. Yeah, that's basically it. Or display. Or display UI. Public image. Oh, I don't need all of that. The pro. Or image a public text mesh pro. Or label, or amount label. Public void update init sprite dot sprite. Wow. Or image dot sprite text is equal to 0. Public void update amount int amount or label amounts dot toString. Okay, then we'll have or label. Of course, something went wrong. Okay. Or display displays. Okay. Or display image mount. Okay. Crap. In inventory. Put that there. Canvas. Get rid of that. Or counter inventory. Yeah. Okay. Public or display. Display dot game object dot set active false. Wow, false. Can I just make a little class in here? Public class. Int amount. Public void add int amount. Or count. Or count plus this amount. Or not. That in here. Or displays. Okay, add or. Try get value if or display d is equal to null. D dot add mount. If not, then oh wait, if we have not if we don't have a thing, then we need to instantiate it. So d is equal to instantiate display dot transform d dot init data dot sprite. Maybe we need to actually hold the or data the data dot sprite. Then we just do init data. Init will set the or count to 1. Well, let's just set it to 0, and let's just let's just... Okay. No, we can just set it to 1. Int start count is equal to 1. Start count of toString. Okay. Mount. And in here, oh, don't forget to add it. Add data D. Ors data dot add amount. I think that's correct. Hello? Yes.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Hi. I am here, but I'm gonna go on mute because I'm gonna do all these ores now, and I'm not really looking forward to doing them because they're gonna be quite tedious. Yeah. It's a good word.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah.
if you have like, you already have kind of a base thing.
Well, yeah, exactly. That's why I'm kind of glad. What are you working on?
I am actually making the inventory.
Ooh. Nice.
How do you say it? How do you pronounce it?
Inventory.
Inventory.
Hello, Zach. Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay.
Oh. Where is the pickup? Pickup entity.
These ores, thinking about it, they're gonna have to. Not gonna be exactly like stuck to the tile palette, the palette, just because some of the colors a bit.
Yeah, true. Yeah, no.
So I'm gonna have to go a little bit.
Yeah, just put them like on your existing the existing tile set. Just like overlay them on your existing tile set, and you can see if they
Oh yeah, of course.
Inventory.
I tend to put them all on inventory.
Zach pronounces it as inventory. Inventory.
Similar-ish to me.
Yeah. Oh, I need to really change it because it bothers me. I thought I did something smart, but in the end it's like, nah, not really.
No. How am I even gonna get started on these? Jeez.
Oh, but I already did those. How do you get started? Well, you go to Google, you type in pixel art ores, and then you just copy what they have.
That's what I do. That's what you do. So you're saying like the iron to gold one should kind of just be like little spots in the actual ore itself.
Yeah, because currently these look kind of like crystals.
Yeah, I know. You know what? I thought the same thing. I did think the same thing.
You can
I was
use
like,
them for like the what
I'm
did I say?
I'm going to
for like
the quartz ones and such.
Damn. Yeah.
I'm going to use it for them.
Quartz, like maybe on a like a lot of stuff is basically like embedded in a rock.
Yeah, I'm gonna. I mean, I've done the embedding. It's very easy, to be honest.
Yeah, true.
You just draw a few little squiggles on it, and you're like, ah, yes.
And if you know the colors that you want to use for the ores, then it's basically just painting them in. Like, don't mind me.
Yeah, what iron is an annoying color because it's iron ore. pixel and or just like a pinky kind of color in most games.
Yeah, kind of like skin color, but then a little bit more orange or something.
Yeah.
Toggle brain. I need to do it differently.
Toggle brain. I wish that was a real thing. Damn.
Toggle my
Just toggle my
brain.
brain. Please.
Think different. Think different.
Please let me toggle my brain. There we go. So we have some iron.
Resource and titties.
And what?
Yeah, you heard me.
It's because there was like a slight pause. You literally paused as you said it.
Like, wait for it.
Titties.
Oh, great.
This game looks like a jam. Yeah, you guys are Brits. I mean, you're not a Brit. What does that just say?
Oh man, I was.
And titties.
I sat down. I just pressed play to like look at the game. I was like, this can fit like a loop, like a GIF, and I was like, let's just do it.
Oh. Yeah, no, it looked good. It looks good.
It is so awesome. He's like just jamming to the beat. Yeah. Oh, you stop that. Nice. It is always nice if you just have like nice art so you can show people like, look at this.
Well, that's a big compliment, so thank you very much. I feel like with pixel art for me, I'm like more worried about the idea of it, but then when I get into it, I'm like, oh yeah, it's just pixel art. It's okay, I can do that.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes you just need to like get into the flow, you know? Like yeah.
It's weird. It's such a nice it's really nice to do a game jam in a team. Like last one I did was like my uni one, and it wasn't like I wouldn't call it a proper game jam. It was very different. But like it was still so much fun just to like work in a team. Like I mean that was we like stayed up to like 3 a.m. doing that, which is still very nice, but oh my god, I hated it. I was so tired.
Yeah, no, I know. Like I've done some game jams like solo. And also one with like one other person, but then there is actually quite a lot going into a game, you know? Like, did you notice?
No, I never knew.
So then it's like, oh, you need to do the art all by yourself. You need to do like music, which I always forget. Like most of my jam games have like no audio whatsoever. And it's so annoying. That's the same with you played like that space shooter game I made, right?
Yeah, I did.
It had no music. Cool. It had basically just like pew pew pew.
Yeah,
and that's just it.
It's not a bad thing, though.
No, it's not.
You know, sometimes it's not great. Obviously, you want to try and cover every aspect you can, but like sometimes it's just not possible.
No, true. Or next time, just grab a like a royalty-free song. Just put that in your game.
Yeah, you could do that. Do that as well.
But then it's like, oh, hey, we know this. It's like, yeah, I know.
I'm sure I've heard this song before. Like, yeah, you probably have.
Yeah, don't you worry about it. It's fine. Add world entity. I just want it to be entity.
It just feels weird not to do like. It feels weird not to like have to worry about. Oh, I need to code in this system. I need to code this because it's like, I don't. Someone else.
There is a dedicated person. What?
What?
Yeah, true.
Cool. All the embedded ores are done. Like I said, that takes up no time at all. So then we want the clump. What did you think about the new ore clumps, by the way, if you downloaded that poll?
Oh, you already made one? Oh, I didn't. I didn't merge pool or whatever.
You fool!
Oh no! I will first finish the inventory thing, and then yeah.
Anytime you could just take a. Actually, no. I'll send a screenshot, and just because before I get onto designing the other types, I want to make sure.
Yeah, sure.
I'll send a screenshot just because I don't want to design all the other ones, and then it's actually, can you redo this? I'll cry. I might cry. Oh, that GIF is so cute. Oh, I love him.
Yeah.
It does seem to stand out more for me because of the shadow.
Yeah, I would make the shadow. Let me also share because I'm talking about it. If you maybe make the shadow black, but then with half of the alpha. So you can
do. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's because that's the same kind of shadow the rock has. So that's why I thought I'd keep them the same.
Yeah, true, but because the rock or the nugget will also change, you know.
That's true. Yeah, I can do that. That's not an issue.
Cool.
What I will do.
The nugget.
Okay. Nugget.
I need the exit. No. Destructible wall entity.
Export. Yeah, that's quite nice.
Yes. Come on. I always misspell entity. Okay. Yes, there are errors, I know. So we have the destructible wall, which is 1. Ah, crap. It won't load. Or it won't compile because there are errors. Or entity. Okay. Alright. So we have the destructible wall, which needs to have the ID 1. Destructible wall needs to be breakable but not walkable. Breakable but not walkable. Then we have the ore rock, which needs to be 2. Ore rock, which needs to be 2, which is breakable but not walkable. Breakable but not walkable. And we have the exit, which is walkable. Walkable. And the ore pickup is walkable. All right. Player walked on, exit, load new level, destructible entity, pick, prefab, world entity. Or entity, let's do have this.
Do you want different rocks for the different types of ores, or do you reckon the same type of rock's fine?
The same rock is fine. Although if you want to, that would look sweet though.
I was thinking of like different color variations. So like the gem kind of rocks have like a darker rock. The gem rocks are darker rocks. That makes sense.
Yeah, that could be.
I'll have a little play.
Public or data to or to pick up. Cool.
Like how we started yesterday going, oh, we probably won't add a shop or anything, and now look at us.
And now it's like, yeah, tomorrow we will add a
Tomorrow we are adding a
shop.
shop.
There's no doubt about it.
Yeah. I think we've actually made pretty good time, honestly.
Yeah.
I think mainly because Tom obviously got the music done very quickly. It meant like the main mechanic could just be kind of thrown in straight away without having to worry about anything.
Yeah, true.
Like, imagine trying to do a rhythm-based game without a song to do the actual rhythm to. Would kind of be like a bit. Okay, we'll do everything else and hope the rhythm bit works at the end.
Yeah, that is.
Tom was just like,
yeah. Mm-hmm. So that would be the or thing. These don't do anything anymore. So it's mostly this one, and these ones. Right? Yeah, because those are the only things that spawn. Yeah. Okay. Data folder ores. Let's just do very simple iron ore. Iron.
Got on the Ludum Dare website and it was like 5 hours, and I was like, what? Compo. Jesus. Oh wow, there's loads of compo games. Oh, there's loads of games up now on their website.
Yeah, makes sense.
What?
I mean,
The compo and the jam.
Oh, also the actual. Oh, okay.
Wow.
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 Wow. Really? LDJAM.com. Games.
The red counting for the compo just scared me.
Oh yeah.
I was like, Like, how long have we got left? Oh,
Oh wait, what? It's like take a breath. We are the ones that below that.
yeah, we're okay.
Okay, let's not keep it open because it might scare us.
Might. I'm already terrified.
So the world has that. So yes. Go away, you're scaring me. Okay. So in the world, I need a new way to map the thing. Resource entities. That's actually fine. I hope. Let's just start. Let's just press play and hope for the best. Even though I made like a major change to the whole thing, so I pressed play and null pointer exception.
I had so much faith that it was gonna work first try.
Although, you know, I'm glad it does. Like some when I was at my internship, the guy who guided me, like the lead software engineer, even though it was the only programmer there, he basically said like a lot of people add like different conditions, like, oh, if it is null, then do something else, or if it like do a check for if it's not null. And yes, sometimes you do need it, but a lot of times it also helps you. It's like if you have forgotten to like add something to your game object, it's right there in the console, you know. Now you know you have an error.
True.
And of course, if you also want the item to be null, yeah, then you need to add your checks. But if you need it to be always filled with something, yeah, I rest my case.
I think a null pointer error is not the worst one to get, because at least it's like, oh, I've just forgotten to do something. If you get like another error and you're like, oh, Jesus, what do I do with this now? That makes sense. I don't even know. It's been so long since I coded, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Just talking gibberish. Rubbish.
Talking absolute rubbish, mate.
Oh, of course.
Crystal.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Look at me go.
Ooh.
Let me just pull down my...
Bigger.
There you go. Oh, yes, we programmers, but we don't need to live in, like, dark.
Wait, we don't? What?
I wish the null pointer errors would tell you what variable is null. I mean, you can click on it, and then it hopefully tells you.
Hopefully, yeah.
Data or name. Oh yeah, if you have multiple variables on the same line. That's also what that guy said, like basically just do everything like, yeah, do everything on its own line, especially if you need to like do a lot of multiplications to get a number, but instead of making it on a different line, you put it within the space for the parameter. Like put it on a separate line so if you can debug it more easily. But then he was also like using the whole, like how you actually need to use programming with like breakline and all that stuff.
Like breakpoints.
Yeah, breakpoints, that's the thing.
I've only ever used them like once in Unreal, and I was like, yeah, it's kind of useful. Not entirely.
I think
One thing I
it's
do like about Unreal is like, well, blueprint is you can see your blueprint when it's being called, so like it highlights what line's being called, and it's very useful for debugging. It's very nice.
can I just give myself an or thing next to myself so I don't have to walk all the way?
So lazy. Just walk for your wall.
It's okay, so it is added, but why is it not actually doing anything? Instantiate display. Yeah, no, it's not doing that. Or am I not seeing it? I should. Wait, what?
Oh, that one looks. Cinema is beautiful. I love that.
What? Oh, I cannot debug. Wait, what?
Hmm?
Oh. Okay, yeah. I'm trying to parent something to itself instead of the parent of itself.
You fool. Okay, just design the last few walls, not that moment. Hematite, what the hell is that?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, hematite's pretty. That is nice. Is it?
I basically went to Wikipedia, like, what kind of ores do we have?
Hematite's really nice. A shiny black silver color like that.
Oh yeah. It kind of sucks.
What's wrong?
Uh, the oh yeah, I see. Every time I add something, like add a sound, it would be off with the first layer. That's because I do something to the first layer, which isn't really helping. So I don't. Okay, I probably shouldn't do something to the first layer then.
Doesn't sound like you should. It sounds
No.
like that's broken a lot for you.
Mm-hmm. Nice. You can actually not move at all.
Oh, fantastic. That's just what you want in this game.
Yeah. Like if you're really offbeat, like, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
No, you can't see it.
Guess I won't be able to play then. No.
Aww.
I'm too bad.
For you. Or counter. The collect ore task is done.
Nice.
Streak. Yeah.
I'm just doing the last two or like nuggets now, and then yeah, they'll be ready for you. I might design some more rocks. I just feel like we could. Is doing more rocks easy for you, like to add in?
Yeah, I just made a scriptable object.
Oh, beautiful.
And then the only thing I need to do is make like a... I need to code like if you're in level 1, then it should probably be a like cheaper ore. But then as you progress through the levels, it should probably be a more expensive ore, but then more enemies, of course.
That's fine. I was going to say, like, have the gem types relate to a rock type, let's say.
To a what? How?
So have, like, the crystally gems, they have their own type of rock, basically.
Oh, yeah. If you have made that.
I think I'm going to. I'm going to get everything else done first. Like, I want to draw some beads today. Oh. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm a little bit like... since we are hand painting our tiles...
You trying to automate it or something?
Well, it is kind of like why, like, we should also, well, not really automate, because, you know, we still have the shop that needs to be done. Although I'm kind of leaning towards the like Stardew Valley selling screen.
I mean, that
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 would
could
just
work
be
well.
easier. It's like you get to the stairs, and then the first thing you see is like like everything you sold,
You know, I
or
do agree that I'll be.
you take it with you. So there's like a multiplier, and then we can still do the multiplier, where it's like with level 1 there's just a ×1 multiplier, and then with layer 2 it's
Well, yeah,
like
that's
a
what like that's kind of like an amalgamation of what I said as well, isn't
yeah.
it? Like,
But then there
so
is
like if you go further down, there's more of a risk, but
yeah,
you could get something better for what you do,
since
which I think is a good.
yeah,
Our
so
game doesn't have like a lose condition. It's more. It's kind of like, have you ever seen Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? So,
yeah, like if
like, do you want to answer the big question or go home now? And you're like, what do I do?
not sure.
I don't know. But then you answer the question, you lose, and you lose everything. Well,
uh
I'd say focus on the thing that like lets you have something that's like we have a finished game basically, so you can play through it and you can do multiple playthroughs. Like,
yeah, then I would say more of like a Stardew Valley screen, although you can, select which ores you want to um get rid of, like sell,
yeah,
and you have
I'd say do that.
and then you can just press continue, and then either you have sold it all or you have taken some with you.
Yeah,
That would just be
I'd
the easiest.
personally say just do that. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, it's just less. It's kind of the same that we already wanted, but then instead of it being a like a thing you could walk in, it's just a menu.
Yeah, I think that's good enough. Plus, it means like a bit less to design.
Yeah, true. Otherwise, you have to make like a whole new tile palette or a tile sheet for a shop, and then like
that sounds fun.
a shopkeeper dwarf.
Oh god.
More character design.
I mean, you know me, I love doing character design.
Yeah, I know. You know what occurred to me after I did it?
Mm-hmm.
I wanted something. I wanted something to be something that shows something. All right.
You wanted what?
I wanted something to be something that shows something. That's a lot of somethings.
That's a lot of some things. I don't know what you're trying to say. Yeah, I'm gonna nod along and go yes.
Yes. Okay. So, you know how with some if you are something, you basically add like er behind it.
Yeah.
Like if you brew beer, for example, I know it has like a fancy name, but you are like the brewer.
Yes.
Basically, I wanted to do something the same with like it shows something, so you are a shower.
Right. Yeah.
But you know how you spell show?
Yeah.
And how you then add er behind it?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Yeah.
Shower.
But what does it actually say?
Shower. That's true, but there are a lot of words like that. And I'm reading your thing now, beat shower. But to you, I'm guessing you're reading it as beat shower, aren't you?
When I was making it as like the beat shower.
Yeah, no.
But then after
that's just how English is sometimes, though, isn't it?
But then when I was done with it and I did something else and I went back to it, I was like, why is this beat shower?
Okay, you gotta remember though, English, we have like four different variations of the word read. Like you can read as read, but you can't read as read. It's just like what?
It's the same as thought and tough and all of the other ones. There are like 4 or 5, I think.
Exactly. So don't.
Yeah, I know. But then the
public image shower.
Like the first float. The distance between showers.
At least it's not like time between showers or something.
Yeah.
What is the time between showers?
uh, and then there is also a pool count because, you know, showers, pools, it's all
Yeah, of course.
connected.
Who would have known?
Do you mean something more akin of Binding of Isaac shop? Oh, yeah. Well, it's not really a shop in which you can buy stuff. It's more just somewhere where you can sell your goods. Like, there currently isn't really anything you can buy. It's more like you're buying the bragging rights to having the highest high score. I think.
That's a good way to look at it.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Why not do selling? Why not do the selling as a sort of loading cutscene? Dwarf goes down the ladder, all he collected falls out of his inventory, gets... I mean, a cutscene takes time. Because you have to make the visuals, and then you have to animate it, and then you have to... Yeah, we'll just stick to a menu. I think that's the easiest.
I would agree.
Public. Okay. Entity setup. Okay. Should I do it in OR data? Let's try something fancy.
Ooh, I understand that.
Oh, yeah. Let's get a list.
Oh, I think your stream died.
Did it?
Looks like it has to be.
Stream condition. It's still healthy?
No.
Oh, I don't know.
Weird one.
I guess. Waited. The das. For all of the OR data. OR datas. Dot length. For J in OR data. I thought. Weight per level. Oh, damn. Int weight equal to World dot level. Wait, I thought it was in world. Level ID. Oh, needs to be a public int. What? Oh, I just spelled it wrong. uh, if level is higher. Unity C# scramble list. Okay. Okay. Int index equals to 0, int last index is equal to or datas dot length -1, while index is less than last index. If random dot range 0 weighted sum is less than why can't I type? So public sprite renderer called or layer or rock layer or entity or layer is equal to
Okay, I've added all the new rocks and such in. New rocks, new ores, and new nuggets.
nuggets.
Okay, I'm gonna add TK sounds. You're not. Have you done anything to the main menu since you've been on?
Nope.
Cool. I'm gonna add his sounds into the buttons. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Index. Okay. For e is equal to step Instantiate. Spawn on interact. Pick up entity. A pickup entity or to pick up. Cool. Data selected or. Is there anything else we need to do with pickup? Nope. Cool. World grid pulse is equal to grid pulse. Oh, I can just do transform that position. Hey, hey, hey. World dot add world entity grid pulse entity. I guess that will work. Overlay or entity. Okay. Let's add an iron ore. Let's just say 1. Or to pick up iron ore, which will be changed or can be changed. Let's actually set up to none. Because if it changes, we want to know. Okay. Or iron ore, rock layer. This one.
Do you mind in the main menu script?
Mm-hmm.
Do you mind if I make that a singleton, or would you rather I don't?
Oh yeah, you can.
Cool, thanks. Look at me using big words like singleton.
Ha ha ha.
Just because it'll be easier for what I want to do that.
Mm. setup. Okay, setup is called. Let's set this layer to nothing. Okay. Oh. But would this work? Let's find out. Or not. Ooh.
Singletons are awesome. They are awesome. Sorry, I just saw Zach posted that. They are very awesome. I love singletons now. Me and singletons are best friends.
I mean, the inventory is also a singleton.
Nice.
The black screen is a singleton.
Well, I did it for the main menu because all the buttons on the customize screen, I thought it'd be easier rather than saying, "Ooh, find component of main menu." Just use it as a singleton because the main menu handles all the sounds, so I don't have to have like loads of audio sources all over the place.
Oh, but why can't you just make it a public variable and just put them in there?
Singleton?
No, like on the buttons you can just.
Yeah, I know, and I could do that, but you know, it's like one line of code. Just call the singleton, do the sound. Don't judge my methods. Just let me do it. Unless it's actually like a bad thing to do, then I will change that.
Oh, epic. Let's make another ore. Let's call it a.
Oh, do you want me to do a push of the new ore styles for you?
Oh no, that's fine. It's fine. Let's do a crack, and then the layer is a music note, and then it will be more. Yeah. Let's see if, okay, this won't work because I haven't set it to the thing. Entities or entity. Let's add the test ore. Now let's see if it actually is there. Music note, music note, music note, music note. Wait, it's just music note now?
Wow. I'm just saying on the stream what's happened. Wow.
That's how you test stuff, you know?
Yeah.
If it is 1, what would that be? It's still just music note. Damn it. What? I just copied this guy's code like completely.
Why didn't it work? Damn.
Weights is equal to that thing. Yeah. Debug.
Button sound added, which is nice.
Wait. So it should just say 1, 2. It does. Very nice. Last index is the count -1. That's a problem. Let's try it again. Much better. Even though it doesn't really make sense.
I still can't play the game, you know.
Now it makes sense. Yeah, now it does. If we add 1, it should be like 50-50. Yeah, that's about 50-50. Oh, nice. All right. If you have... Oh, I should have pushed, but I didn't. So now I have twice the stuff. Cool.
I was wondering, when I try and play from the main menu, I still get that error from before, you know.
What error?
Index was out of bounds on the world script. It's to do with the resource, the entity ID, it says.
Oh, well, maybe it's fixed now.
Yeah, sure. I will also do a push, because I've added the sounds in for the buttons. And you know what? I've halved the pitch of them in Unity, and it just makes them, they feel like a lot better.
What?
Because you're a little bit high-pitched.
What? Which one?
The sounds that Tom gave us for the buttons, they were like a little bit too high-pitched, so I just lowered the pitch in Unity.
Uh-huh.
And they sound very nice now.
Ores.
Added new ore and rock and gem sprites. Added
Origin.
and button sounds.
Cleaned world entity system.
I've done a push as well, so pull mine when you do yours.
Ooh.
Ooh. I'm going to design some new beards now, because that's like the last thing on my sheet for today.
If I delete it, is it gone? I'm not getting errors. Well, I did get an error, but not one that is fine. Okay. Boom. Okay. Commit. Dude, why are you taking so long? Oh my god.
Beards.
Okay. Completed successfully.
Nice.
Batch. Added new rocks. Let's merge. I guess there are conflicts. Yeah, there are. How many? Oh, only 3.
Only 3.
Or solo. Oh, really? Ah, this is what I hate about Unity.
What?
Unity's floating, like, floats.
Mm.
They're all over the place. Like, there is now a merge conflict because my blue value says 0.968277775, but then yours says like the same 9682777, but instead of mine saying 7, yours says 8, which is like the 7th decimal. So it's like
Whose do we go for then? Yours?
I will, if it's like something like that, then it's like I can just do mine. Oh my god, this is a very big one. What?
What clashed?
This is like a whole thing. Player shader? Just do yours.
Yeah, if you've not done anything to it, I'd say do mine. Because I've been messing with the shaders before. Choose a branch. Oh god, there we go, yeah. Player shader.
Use mine. Editor using settings. That's set. Yeah, no, that's fine. Commit. V not parent.
So for this player shader, did you use yours or mine?
What?
You know, for the player shader conflict, did you use yours or mine?
Yours, because I didn't do anything with it. So it's like.
What about the or solo one?
It didn't have a conflict.
Oh, mine did. Weird. Editor
Yeah,
user settings.
well,
I tend to use yours.
That's yeah, because I also used mine. So if you use yours, I hope it's fine.
For which one?
For the editor user setting.
Oh, I tend to go for yours. You know, I just keep using yours because I thought there was something important.
Oh, I feel honored.
Oh, I'll use mine then.
Animations. Coin sprites. Oh, okay.
Oh, I added the coin. Oh, I forgot to add that. Yeah, I added the coin. The coin was added there. Has an animation. Do we want a silver coin? Because Tom mentioned it and it's making me intrigued. Do we want to do a silver coin and a gold coin or just gold?
Ooh.
Because I basically made a silver variation. I just need to animate it. But yeah.
Ah, crap. You didn't. Ah, you didn't name them. Crap.
Did I not?
You didn't name the ores because they're currently just saying or rock sheet 1 or rock sheet 2.
Oh, I did. I named it an Ace Sprite. That's annoying. I did name them an Ace Sprite. I was like, make sure I name them this time.
Yeah,
I am sorry.
I will just use the. Oh my god. Did you pull mine?
Yeah.
There is in data ores. That's like the data sheet I'm using. Because like, to be honest, I don't know what you did for every, like, what every ore is.
Yeah.
So if you just
the old ores are still in there. I haven't got rid of them.
No, that's fine. But I think it would be wise if you made the scriptable objects for that, because I really don't know.
Yeah, I can do.
Like, just
Unity's just catching up.
Yeah, just look at the iron ore, how I did that, you know.
And make one for each type of ore.
Yeah, I think they're very self-explanatory. Like, don't worry about the price and the weights per level.
Oh, you want me to just do the sprites?
No, just make the scriptable objects and then add the sprites.
Okay. Can you do one for the rocks? Because there's 3 types of rocks now.
Rocks? What rocks?
In the ore sprite sheet, there are 3 rocks with them.
The last one?
Yeah. The one that just got pushed in.
The last 3?
Yeah, they should be rocks.
Yeah, like I said, I don't have any clue because it's all just rock sheet and then a number.
Sure, you can see the images though, can't you?
Yeah, but then I don't really know which one is which. Or is it like the bottom three?
Show me your. Let me have a look on stream. Because I'm not sure. Yeah, so the bottom three are the rocks. Annoyingly, it hasn't named because I thought it was going to.
Okay,
But
so
yeah,
it's
the last
just...
three.
Oh, okay. So those are just rocks?
Yeah, different types of rocks. So the one on the left one is for like the iron, gold, and copper. The middle one is for the crystals, and then the last one is for the...
Oh, the actual... Oh, the stone behind... I thought it was like
Yes, yes, sorry.
a rock that would
Yeah.
drop as well. Oh, let me just add a thing for that as well.
Yeah, okay. So, wait, before you... I'm going to go off what your stream show... Oh, never mind, you got rid of it. Can you show me the sprite sheet again? I'll tell you what each thing is, and then that way...
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, so...
What is
Just so you...
Wait, you could just type it in Discord what the order is from like the left to right.
I can do that.
Or is it just what I typed?
No, I'll type it for you now, and
Oh, okay.
I'll type in Discord now, like what each thing is. That makes more sense.
Okay, cool.
1, 2.
Entity rock renderer. And then also maybe specify if it needs like rock 1, rock 2, or rock 3.
When I say about, you tell me if you need further clarification, because I've kind of just said, okay, the first 8 sprites are this, the next 8 are that.
Yeah, I know. Like,
oh, okay, I get what you mean.
Yeah, I know. I can see on the shader that there are 8 different types.
Yeah.
But then it's like, first one is gold. No.
I'll write it down now.
Copper, gold. No clue what that would be. I think that's the cinnamon. Cinnamon?
The red one. Yeah, red one is
Cinnabar.
That one, yeah.
It's a cinnabar. What is happiness? Good question. Very deep. Very deep. Someone asked, what is happiness?
I can't answer that question. I don't know.
No. I wish I could.
Yeah. For Halamite? How do you spell it?
Hematite.
Hematite. That's definitely how you spell that. Yeah, there we go. No, that's not. Yeah, sure, that's close enough. 7. Okay, this might look this might be even more confusing, but hopefully it makes sense. But again, I'll set up these scriptable object sprites. Do me a favor, can you just added a line to the scriptable objects for the rocks themselves, didn't you?
Yeah, I was more like,
can you push that, and then I can do all the sprites now in the scriptable objects. I will do every single one.
uranium.
That's quite a nice beard, actually. I like that.
I mean,
how many beards should we go for? Like 4?
However many you want to make. If you just copy the message I sent and then just type like 1, 2, or 3 behind it for the like what rock it needs to have.
Okay.
Then that will be fine. Ah, that's right. Damn it. Sprite editor. Iron layer. Iron ore.
And nuggets should be easy to match up because they got similar colors.
Yeah. That's yeah.
That's annoying. I was wondering if A Sprite would rename them, but it's annoying that it doesn't.
Well, they don't.
They don't. They don't. That's very true.
Towards Cinnabar or Cinnabar layer diamond layer diamond ore hematite or hematite layer uranium ore.
Uranium?
This is the worst spelling. Uranium.
Yeah. I did notice on one of the scripts she called it mine dwarf, like mind.
Yeah. Uranium. Mine.
I saw that before and I was like, mine dwarf?
And then we have rock 1, rock 2, rock 3. Let's apply. Now they have names, so I can simply search for iron ore.
Oh, the dwarves are so cute. I love them with beards. Oh, this is the fun bit of pixel art. You just draw beards.
Rock 1. Create a new ore, which is copper ore, which of course has copper ore, copper layer, and rock 1.
Beard 4. I'm gonna do some more beards.
Gold ore, gold ore, gold layer, and rock 01. Then we have quartz ore. Although it's not really ore, it's more like crystal, but eh.
Yeah.
Quartz layer and rock 2. Quartz. Gold. Copper. Cinnabar.
I just hear that and I go cinnamon in my head.
Yeah, I know.
Cinnamon, yes. Love this cinnamon.
It's 10:30 already, or almost.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I'll leave the stream because then I don't have to talk as much. Because people want to sleep.
Mm.
People want happiness.
Of course.
So yeah, I will probably stream tomorrow as well, since we still have tomorrow. Yeah.
We do.
Yes. So
Thankfully.
Yeah. What about you, Saul?
I am undecided if I'm streaming tomorrow. I still just don't really feel like it.
Is
that what you were talking about?
No, I was actually talking if you were there.
I'm here.
Yeah, tomorrow as well.
Yeah, I'll be here. I mean, I'll have uni, so I might not be able to join the Discord, but I'll be working away.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, then maybe we can get together in the evening You know,
Yeah,
when we actually
I
finish
think
the
we'll be
game.
ready. We'll be ready by like early evening tomorrow, I imagine. Maybe late evening.
Yeah. Well, evening for us, but then it's like midday or like early midday for like Zach.
Yeah.
But yeah, that will be fine. We'll play the game. Maybe you guys can share your screen, Saul and Tom, about how you guys are playing the game. Yeah, Saul will play the game.
I will definitely. I'll do that for the video, probably.
And then we'll release the game, and then you guys can play. Yeah. So that will be fun. But yeah, that's for tomorrow, and I will leave it for today. There will probably be like a little progress update video again, like I did last night. It was so late. But it was a nice progress video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and then I will see you guys tomorrow. That's the
Bye,
ending.
everyone.
Yeah, that's a proper ending. All right, guys. See ya.